Hello everyone, welcome to Sanmargaha classes. Question number 22 from Jamaican fragment lesson. What did the narrator see on his way home the first day? So when he was going to home from a walk, he saw something. What was that is the question. Okay, 2 marks. This is for 2 marks. So you have to write this answer in 2 to 3 sentences, children. Okay? 2-3 ವಾಕ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತರವನ್ನ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. The narrator saw 2 little boys playing in a yard. One brown and one white boy. Okay, so what he saw the 2 boys playing. One boy was in white, okay, white color, and the other boy was little brownish. Okay, the brown boy was giving orders. Here, the brown boy was giving orders to the white boy, and the white boy was obeying him. He was obeying his orders. This was the scene the narrator saw while he was in his way back to home. ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರುವಾಗ ವಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಇಂದ ನರೇಟರ್ ಏನನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? ಲೇಖಕರು ಆ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಆಟವಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದನ್ನ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ಕಪ್ಪು ಹುಡುಗ ಮತ್ತು ಒಬ್ಬ ಬಿಳಿ ಹುಡುಗ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಆ ಕಪ್ಪು ಬಣ್ಣದ ಹುಡುಗ ಬಿಳಿಯ ಬಣ್ಣದ ಹುಡುಗನಿಗೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಡಾಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ವೈಟ್ ಬಣ್ಣದ ಹುಡುಗ ಏನಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಆತ ಕಪ್ಪು ವರ್ಣದ ಹುಡುಗನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತಹ ಆದೇಶವನ್ನ ಪಾಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಲೇಖಕರು. Thank you.